Hello students, this is the third part of our second chapter, exponents and powers. Today we are going to solve some questions that are based on laws of exponents. Our first question is to express the following questions in exponential form. Means the answer should also have an exponent. In first part, there is minus 3 upon 4 raised to power 6 divided by minus 3 upon 4 raised to power 2. We can see that the bases are same and there is a divide by sign between them, so the powers will be subtracted according to the law. We have taken the base common and powers will be subtracted as we have used this law here. This one, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. This law we have used here. So minus 3 upon 4 raised to power 6 minus 2 is 4. This is the answer. In our next part, the bases are same and multiplication sign is between them, so we'll use this law. A raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. So 3 upon 10 will be taken common and power will be added. So 3 plus minus 2. Plus into minus gives you minus. So 3 upon 10 raised to power 1 is the clear answer. We can also write only 3 upon 10. Okay. It's C part. We can see that there is power over power. So there is a law like this: a raised to power m bracket then over that power n. So a raised to power m multiplied by n, a raised to power mn. So minus 9 upon 5 will be there and powers will be multiplied. So minus 9 upon 5 raised to power 6 is the answer. In our next part, we can see that the bases are different but the powers are common. So this law will be used here. The bases are different, powers are same. So AB raised to power m. So the same law will use in our question. Bases will be multiplied and powers will be taken common. 6 ones are 6 threes are, 5 ones are 5 fives are. So 1 upon 3 5s are 15 is there, and over that power is 3. So this is the answer. This is called the exponential form. Okay. When the question will say that you have to evaluate it, so we will multiply 1 upon 15 3 times to itself. Now our next question is determine the value of p. Here again we can see that the bases are same and between them is the multiplication sign, so the power will be added. 3 upon 5 raised to power 3 plus 5p is equal to 3 upon 5 raised to power 12. Only we have added the power. Here we can see that the bases are same on the both side of equal sign, so the bases will be cancelled. Now this is just a simple linear equation. 3 plus 5p is equal to 12. This type of simple equations you have solved in class 6 and 7 also. So this is very simple. This positive 3 will be transported here and will be minus 3. 12 minus 3 gives you 9. So p is equal to 9 upon 5. This is the clear answer. Got it? Our next question is this. Here we can see that there is power over power again. So 5 7 ja 35. Okay. This is over the power. Okay. The bases are same here, so we will cancel it. So p minus 3 is equal to 35 here. This minus 5 will go there, becomes minus 3 will go there, becomes plus 3. So the value of p is 35 plus 3 is 38. Done. Okay. Next we have this question. Minus 2 raised to power 2p is equal to minus 2 raised to power 13 divided by minus 2 raised to power 11. So there is division sign between them, bases are same, so the power will be subtracted. Minus 2 raised to power 2p, minus 2 is taken common and power is subtracted. 13 minus 11 gives you 2. Bases will be cancelled. Minus 2 cancelled. So 2p is equal to 2. So p is equal to 2 upon 2. So the final answer of p is 1. In our next question, here we can see that 10 raised to power p. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are here. So 10 raised to power 5. Divided by 10, 2 2s is 4. The bases are same, so the powers will be subtracted. 5 minus 4 is 1. 10 will be cancelled, so the value of p is 1. Okay. Next question is here we can see that there is 0 on all the three numbers here. So any number having 0 as a power, its value is 1. As we know that x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. So 1 minus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. Our answer is minus 1. Okay. Next question is B part. 1 raised to power minus 1. It is 1 upon 1. It's reciprocal. And 2 raised to power minus 1. So its reciprocal is 1 upon 2. Similarly, 1 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 4. Now this is the sum case. LCM of 1, 2 and 3 is 6. So 6 divided by 1 is 6 and 6 1 is 6 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 3 1 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 2 1 is 2. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11 upon 6 plus 1 upon 4. So our answer is 11 upon 24. Okay. In our next question, we have question number 4 now. Find the value of x. So any number have a power of 0, its value is 1. Or we can do it in the simple way. The bases are same, so the powers will be subtracted. 5, 0 minus 1. Okay. equals to 5x. Minus into minus gives you plus, so 0 plus 1. The bases are same, bases are cancelled. So 0 plus 1 is equal to x, or x is equal to 1. Done? In its B part we have power over power. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. X over 2 there. So x into 2 is 2x. The bases are same, bases are cancelled. So minus 2 is equal to 2x. X is equal to minus 2. This 2 comes down. 2 is cancelled. So the value of x is minus 1. Okay. So students, question number 3. Express the following in standard form. Here we can see that the rule is that we have to put a decimal sign, decimal between first 2 digit. Okay. For that we will count from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after 1, we have decimal here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the 8th jump, we will come in this place, and in standard form it is written like this: 10 raised to power 8. Similarly, as I have said that decimal should be here between the first 2 digits. So it is one time jump only. So 4.3 will be shown. So it is 1. Okay. Expand the following. So this is the reverse of this. We have 9 times zeros here. So the decimal from between 3 and 1 will jump 9 times on the right side. So 8 zeros will increase there. Now we can verify the decimal should be here. Okay. After jumping, we were at this place. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thanks. Good. Correct solution. Here minus 3. Whenever the power is minus 3, the numbers are extremely small. Okay. So the decimal will go to the left side. So we have to jump 3 times to the left. 1, 2, 3. That's it.